Joket mwandu e sekta mar teko ojiw mondo non matut yoregi mag siro chenro mag keyo teko stima e pachoka kokalo kuom omenda ma gichiwo. Jachiw rieko e weche mag teko Jacqueline Kimeu owacho ni 90% mag omenda michiwo mag teko sitima owinjore ochiw maonge nyinyo eka pinje nyalo dongore moloyo miduoko gi omenda modhuro kaka timore sani. Apisa e Africa Development Bank Gibson Kiragu owacho ni bengi no ikore mar bedo kod winjruok mar 50% gi sirikal e chwalo kod siro chenro mag tieko chwalo sitima e kor gwenge.
Yes, we are looking at energy is a right, it's a public good, and we want to increase the amount of public finance going to renewable energy. And one of the recommendations from our study is that we need to be able to establish a dedicated financing facility for decentralized energy systems that can, of course, have a grant-based financing mechanism and also concession of financing and also providing loans at a very small interest compared to what is currently happening.
The energy infrastructure that is there is also affected by floods, it's affected by drought. So those, then that time now you talk with energy producers, the ministry, the parastatals that are dealing with that and find out how is climate affecting you and how can you safeguard your infrastructure so that we can talk about sustainable energy, because we are not only talking about energy access, but we are talking about even sustainability.